Hi everyone, my name is Hamna Zain and I am a UK qualified barrister. I have done my bachelor's in law from the UK and I have also done my law law from UK, which is equivalent to the post graduation. I'm a licensed attorney, of course. I have a certification from Howard University in contract drafting, and I also teach contract law for the University of London program. So generally, I have a mix of working as a corporate lawyer, training, teaching, and also I train for companies as well. So that's on site and also virtual. So I train with respect to different legal topics. So it could be contract drafting, negotiation, labor laws, ethics and compliance, harassment law. So it's a mix of that. So overall, I have an experience working as a corporate lawyer for the past 13 years. So I have worked in different law firms. I've worked in different sectors. So if you're looking for a corporate lawyer, I can help you out. I can draft all kinds of contracts. I can negotiate contracts with your end customer, with the vendor, with the supplier. I can draft a bulletproof non-disclosure agreement for you. And if you're also looking for somebody who can train your team or employees or your third parties, I can help you out with that. I'm available to conduct trainings virtually on site as well, also in different countries. So my availability is there. And I have a lot of experience working when it comes to corporate law. I can be your go-to person. Why? Because I have a lot of experience with different jurisdictions, and it's not limited to one particular, industry or one particular country. So, for example, I have clients which are all over United States in different states. So I know different state laws, what the state laws are, what the federal laws are for the US, and also with respect to of course UK. If you're in the UK, if you're in the Middle East, I can definitely help you out with all kinds of corporate work. Also, I can negotiate for you for and on your behalf. I can also work within your budget. I'm flexible like that. I can be available to work full time on retainership as well, and they can deliver within the same day. So yes, I mean, if you need me, if you need a service, a corporate lawyer, if you need some sort of similar services, I can definitely help you out. I can be a go-to person. Thank you.